Ready? Okay everybody, I want to speak to you about another way of losing time, or certainly consuming time, but this one's a bit more subtle than the last one. This is a 2LW Gardner block, but it could be any Gardner block, and whenever we were storing these blocks we would very often fit in new liners. We send it off to a machine shop. They have a big boring machine which bores out the old liner, and then they use a big hydraulic press to push down a new one, and everything's just like it was leaving the factory. But on this particular occasion, what the machine shop found was that this cylinder here bored out perfect. But this cylinder here, whenever they went to bore it, the original bore was crooked. It was out of alignment. So what they had to do was, we had to order for them a new extra thick wall liner. They were able to then bore out the old one and push this extra thick liner down, which made the whole thing be square then, and it was a super job. I'm just going to go now and just take you through that graphically. Now, this is how the new liner is normally pushed in. You'll see that it goes dead straight vertically down into the bore that has been drilled out. It's all very, very simple. But here you can see how the bore had somehow, I don't know how this happened or came about, but it had actually been bored crooked. I find it hard to believe that this was done like this in the Gardner factory. It was most likely done by some machine shop sometime in the past life of this engine. Here you can see the extra thick liner that we ordered in, and that was pushed down so as to be like this, and it was all perfect, all lined up grand, and everything was honky-dory. Okay, so there you have it. We lost a fair bit of time over that, but there was nothing we could do because we didn't know it was out of alignment until it went to the machine shop. But all's well that ends well. That engine has been rebuilt now and it's gone off to the customer and everything's fine. So thank you so much.